Inarguable fact, part 4 of 3. So I guess all this begs one more question, and I see that everybody else wants to know, and everybody's surprised how I know, I guess. But how do you know if somebody's messing with you, and how do you know if somebody's messing with somebody else? Well, that's a very personal question, but it's not something that can't be seen, as in, if somebody's being personally offended, it's not difficult to see. For one, it's most important that you always know what is on your mind and that you don't let your mind drift. See, because if you wake up with a purpose and you know what you have to do and your mind is oriented to your purpose, it's very clear to see when something comes along and it's not coming from yourself, or is even coming from somewhere in particular. Now, it's the same thing with looking at other people. When you know your friend and you and your friend are doing something, if somebody tries to mess with your friend, you can clearly see it. You should know your friends as well. But as for a legal situation, it's hard to tell, I suppose, because an officer doesn't know anybody. But it's just a matter of getting a person to themselves and then seeing the effects of the other person. See, because if one person is a grump and another person is go-lucky, and the go-lucky is upset because the grump is trying to make themselves euphoric by the life and presence of the go-lucky. So the go-lucky says, well, I'm naturally go-lucky, but now I'm pissed. And the grump says, well, I'm naturally grumpy, but now I'm euphoric. And then, it's a matter of balancing out. I mean, unfortunately for the grump, he's going to have to return to his grump. But, you can't say it's not fair if he has to be a grump, because that's what he's doing with his brain.